Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for the 28th of October, Monday, and today was another fun day in the markets. Basically opened up in line here and moved a little higher, moved a little lower, and moved a little higher. So basically in a little range here this morning, and we ended up with two trades pulling 1 point out of the market. Not the best day in the world, but definitely not the worst. We kind of watched things a little bit as they unfolded. Ended up getting short here on this run up. A little bit more, came up a little bit more, and then it did turn down into our favor. We did take a small loss on the first position, and then we took a gain on the second one, giving us a positive return. And then we took another short right here, which we quickly did take profit in, and then you see it did come up and come down, but then it did shoot higher after that. So ending the day with a point is not too bad, and then we can always come back and play again. But it just goes to show, when the market is a little choppy, less is definitely more, and you want to be able to pick your trades, and that's kind of what I go over in, especially in the trading course, and when I coach clients and show them how I do things. And I know I trade differently than a lot of people. I would rather take 1, 2, 3 trades per day rather than taking 5, 10 trades. And I think it's easier to be able to zero in just a couple trades. In that first 2.5 hour period, it's definitely my favorite to trade, and that is usually your big volatile period, the opening and the first couple hours of the market. And that's really why I like it. I really do enjoy trading. It's something that I definitely do have a passion for. But what I try to do is, be consistent. Try to take a little bit of money out each day in the markets. And when I'm unsure, I'll wait on the sidelines. I'm comfortable being on the sidelines just because I'd rather risk my money when I have a higher probability setup rather than risk my money just for the sake of risking my money. Hopefully that makes sense, and that's a big concept. A lot of new traders, or maybe I shouldn't say a lot, but some new traders they don't grasp that concept as clearly as they should. Because a lot of times, and I've seen a lot of traders, say, hey, I'm long here, I'm short here, just for the sake of telling someone their position. And it's not a well thought out position. Maybe they guess and make money the first time, which that's even worse, because then it's just going to start a cycle like an avalanche. Keep guessing you can make money, and then that one time just destroys you. So that's what I try to do. Less is definitely more. Try to be a little consistent in the markets. If you make a point here and there, and then that one day comes where you're going to make 8 to 12 points. And that's really what I try to do. Trade more when I have more clarification on the market. Trade less when I don't. And that's definitely a good concept to know. So hopefully that made sense. Hopefully you got a little bit out of what I was talking about. You can always leave comments below the video. You can also email me directly, support@businesswithtrading.com. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.